What does fest mean? Fest is a short word used to describe a festival, celebration, or special event where people gather to enjoy activities, entertainment, or performances. In simple words, fest means a fun event or celebration. The word fest comes from the word festival and is often used informally, especially for college events, cultural programs, or themed celebrations. A fest usually includes music, dance, games, food, competitions, and social activities. For example, schools and colleges often organize annual fests where students participate in performances and contests. Music fests bring together singers and bands for live performances. Food fests allow people to try different types of food from many places. Here are some common types of fests. Cultural fest, events with dance, music, and cultural performances. College fest, student-organized events with competitions and entertainment. Music fest, concerts and live music shows. Food fest, celebrations focused on different cuisines. Tech fest, events related to technology, innovation, and competitions. Example sentences. Our college fest starts next week. They enjoyed the music fest very much. The city organized a food fest for tourists. Fests are important because they bring people together, create enjoyment, and encourage creativity and teamwork. In simple terms, fest means a festival or fun celebration event. Easy way to remember. Fest means festival or celebration,